Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a triple train. This is one of those train variations where you're going to need to be able to get some good lead and follow through your connection. So my recommendation is you already know how to do a swing train. Knowing how to do a swing train is going to make your life a lot easier, but it's also a good idea if you know how to do a first move triple step. So I'll put links to both of those in the description so you're ready to do one of these. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard, in fact, it starts off like a standard swing train because we go back, we return the lady, we pop the hand on the shoulder, we take the step on the right, and we do the rock behind. So that's the hook we were doing in the swing train. So we go behind. We can make eye contact as well, but instead of just taking a single step forward, we can actually triple across. So we go triple step, and then we do the hook the other side. Rock, step, triple across the other way. Rock, repeat the first triple. This time when we do the rock, we take the hand out, and we return spin lady and catch. And that's the whole thing. We'll do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, return 2, connect up 3, step 4, then we do a rock step 5 and a triple 6, rock 7, triple 8, rock 1, triple 2, out 3, return spin 4 and catch 5. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a triple train. We go a back, return on the shoulder, step, rock, triple, rock, triple, rock, triple, rock, return spin and catch. That's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. That all helps promote the channel, but it also means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, providing you've got notifications turned on in your settings. It means your recommendation on the end is something nice to practice this too. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.